Hello and welcome back. Today I've got another Temu haul for you guys. You guys know, if you've watched my last two videos, I told you that I was going to be bringing some pet supplies to this video. I'm so excited to show them to you because Bodhi has been really giving them a run for their money, and I kind of wanted to make sure that they were okay with him before I talk to you guys about them. Hands down, he loves them. He's super excited. Also, if you guys watched the last video, I'm actually wearing the cardigan that I showed you in that video. It is so comfortable and so cozy and so warm. You guys have got to go and check this out. But before I get started, if you guys did not watch the last two hauls and you do not know what Temu is, they are an online marketplace that offers competitively priced, high quality items in every single category that you could imagine. I've said it once, I'll say it 10 more times. You will spend hours to days on this website and have a full cart of things that you cannot live without, and you're going to be able to afford that entire cart, because not only are they having a 90% off site-wide sale, you can also combine my coupon code that I've been given for you guys, which is case055, for an additional 30% off. An additional 30% off. One more time. An additional 30% off of your order. It's mind-blowing. The prices are already phenomenal, but with that sale and the discount code on top of it, you have no other choice than to go and fill your cart up and get you some of this stuff. They also offer free shipping for new users and a 90-day money-back guarantee. If you receive anything that you do not absolutely love, you can just send it back within 90 days and get your money back. Simple as that. It's amazing. They also make it very easy for you to pay. They take Google Pay, Apple Pay, PayPal, all major credit cards. You can use AfterPay, all sorts of things. So there is no excuse for you not to get on their website, which you can do on your mobile phone or on your home computer, and find anything that you like. Okay, I'm gonna jump right into the things that I have left in this haul because I can't. Okay, first things first, I'm going to show you the things that I got for Bodhi because he means so much to me and his happiness means so much to me. And as soon as I saw this on their website, immediately I had to have it. I've been looking at these things for quite a while and I just never got one. If you have a pet and if you want them to exert some energy like I do mine, Bodhi is a yellow lab. He's only 4 years old and he's wild. He is just absolutely wild. And with it being cold out in winter now, it's kind of hard for me to get him outside and get all of his energy out. But did you know that if a dog spends 5 minutes sniffing for something, that in turn is like them running for 30 minutes. So any help that I can get to get some of that energy out of him, I'm definitely gonna do it. So I got him one of these Sniffle Pads. He loves this thing so much, he gets very upset when I take it away. You can use this for treats. You can actually also use this for their whole meal. And all you do is take some of their treats or kibble and you put it down into these little areas here and lay it on the ground, and then you can let them sniff and scope and snuffle out all those little treats, and it just makes them happy. It wore him out the first time that I let him use this. I had to take it from him because I was afraid that he was going to have a little puppy heart attack. He was so excited. You can leave it open this big. There's also a little drawstring on the side. You can make it smaller, and it also helps for, you know, putting it away and not taking up so much space if you use it like that. I'm so excited to have this. Bodhi loves it, which means I love it. I'm going to be getting another one because they do have different options of these on the website. So that's going to be one of my next things that I purchased too. The next toy that I got for Bodhi is this little plastic ring. It does squeak. He absolutely loves it. With him being a retriever, he just wants something to be thrown at all times. This is soft enough to where I can throw it like in the living room. He catches it every single time and brings it back to me. And I love the fact that I can wash this because, let's face it, dogs are gross, dogs are slobbery, and this is probably one of his absolute favorite things to play with. I also like the little nubs on here too, because to me it just makes me think that it's helping clean his teeth. They've got so many things for pets on this website. If you have a dog or a cat or a bird or a fish, a ferret, a rabbit, anything, they've got something for you on that website. The last thing that I got for Bodhi is this little multicolored ball. I love it because it's soft. Again, something that I can kind of toss to him in the house, and it also floats. So with him being a lab, he loves the water. So this summer when we have him out in the water, we're going to be able to use this, and he's going to be so grateful, and we're going to be so grateful. It's always nice to have just like some little toys laying around, and with the prices that they have on these things, if he tears it up, I'm not out $20 or $30 like some of these other dog toys cost. It's ridiculous with the economy these days. I love having the option of getting, 4 or 5 of these for the price of one that I can get somewhere else. The next thing that I picked up is something that I have been desperately needing, but every time I go to the store, I just don't think to look for something like this. But when I saw it on the website, I was like, yes, you're coming home with me. So if you guys use beauty blenders or beauty sponges of any sort, you know that if they get wet and you just set them down somewhere, that the bottom of them is going to just get nasty and possibly mildewy and moldy and gross. That's not good for your face at all. So you kind of need something to set them in. So if you have your beauty sponge and you have something that you can set it in just like this, it's going to allow the air to get through it and to actually get it all dry. That way when you go the next day to use it, it's not damp and yucky. And I was very surprised when I ordered this because I didn't know that it came with a beauty sponge. I thought that the picture was just showing you what to use it for. And let me tell you, I've bought many beauty sponges in my time. This is probably one of the softest ones I have ever touched in my entire life. I did look through all of their makeup stuff, and I kind of got a little overwhelmed. I knew that there were some things that I wanted to get. I do still have some things in my basket, such as some makeup brushes. Now, my mom actually ordered makeup brushes from them, and I've used them. Well, not used them, but I've seen them. The quality is amazing. Not the kind of quality that you would think that they would be for that price. There are not enough good things that I could say about Temu. I'm just blown away. Literally, I have not had one thing in any of these hauls that I was disappointed in, and that's the God's honest truth. The next thing I got was kind of like a home product as well. If you guys have never used a lint remover before, you are missing out. You can use these on your sweaters, your couch, your curtains. I will tell you a secret. I actually had one, and I lent it to someone and I never got it back, but I had one of these, and I was actually painting this very room 2 summers ago, and I dripped paint on the carpet, and I didn't want to get in trouble, and I didn't know how else to get it off the carpet. I let it dry, and I was just trying to think of how I could do it. I was like, I don't want to cut like a piece out of the carpet. And so for some reason I thought of my lint remover, and I got it out and I went over the carpet, and it literally just took up just enough to get the paint off, but not a big chunk of the carpet out at all. You couldn't even tell. That lint remover saved my life. I could have gotten in a lot of trouble for having paint on my carpet. But the thing that I love about this one actually comes with 2 replaceable blades. Get you guys one of these. Get you guys one of these. These are amazing, and you need one in your life. I actually have one downstairs, and I'm glad that I got one for upstairs too, because you never know when you're going to need them. These are so worth it. If you have sweaters that get those little woolly boogers, you need that for these. And I'm going to be honest with you, your girls got some thighs on her, okay? And I've had a few pairs of pants that I've got the little woolly boogers on the inside of my thighs right here. This thing just takes them away. It's just, you need one. You just need one. And for this price, you can't say no. I also grabbed this sun visor clip cell phone holder. I do vlog and sometimes it is in my car as well. And I absolutely love this because it does clip behind your sun visor. So when you're not using it, you can flip it up and it's not in your way. A lot of the cell phone holders now, if they are stuck to your windshield or on your dash, they're kind of in the way even when you're not using them. And I loved this idea because you can just flip it up and it's out of your way. I have already used this. It's not in the box because it's currently in my car, but I've used this quite a few times since I've gotten it and I love it. You know that some of these things can be expensive, whether you vlog or whether you use your cell phone holder for the maps or directions or anything like that. This is a very good price and a very, very good quality. Now this might be comical to some, but it is so practical to me. Also, I have been seeing some things like this on TikTok. I grabbed one of these little box openers. It is so nice and so cute. I had one of these before. I don't know what happened to it, but when I saw them on the website, I had to grab me one. I do get a lot of packages. I do have a lot of things that I need to open, and I don't like those big box cutters. They're just ugly and they're just not for me. I also don't like to use the knives out of my kitchen, and 9 times out of 10 when I need my scissors, I can't find them. This I can keep in a drawer on my desk and I know where it is at all times, and it is absolutely amazing. If you don't have one of these, you need to get you one. Last but not least, for this haul, I grabbed one of these wall and ceiling cleaners. You guys know that I clean so much in my house, and this is something that's going to get a lot of use. It also has a telescopic handle, that way you can make it longer or shorter. I'm going to be able to use this for my ceilings, my walls, the corners with all of those little spider webs and nasty dust bunnies in it. Also, I can use this for my windows. I can use it for my cabinets in my kitchen. I love that it already comes with this one microfiber cloth, but also on the outside, it has these little places, kind of like a Swiffer, where you can put your own cloth on it and attach it to the top. This is going to get some use, I promise you. If you guys have made that resolution that you want to clean more, this is something that you definitely need to have in your arsenal. I have not been able to use this yet, but the quality of it is amazing. I have purchased some things like this in the past and they weren't nearly as good. And I'm also just floored at how tall this is. Like this is huge. That is all that I have for this haul. You guys, please go and make sure that you take advantage of the 30% off on top of the site-wide 90% off sale that they are having with my code CASE055. Let me know in the comments what your favorite part of this haul was. I'm excited to see what your thoughts are. I'm so excited for the stuff that I got for Bodhi. I'm definitely ordering more. He loves them. I love that he loves them. And for the price, you cannot beat it. I want to say thank you again to Temu for sponsoring this video, and a huge thanks to you guys when you come and support me when I have sponsored videos. It means more to me than you know. But that's all that I have for you guys today. I appreciate you coming and watching. Don't forget to subscribe and go and check out the other 2 hauls if you haven't seen them already. But I gotta go. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.